2.6. Nitrogen fixation. There are two methods by which the atmospheric nitrogen gets fixed to the soil. Number 1. Bacterium rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants, that is the plants that produce pulses like beans, peas, etc. This bacteria is involved in the fixation of nitrogen in these plants. Second method, nitrogen gets fixed through the action of lightning. Now, do you know one thing? That atmospheric nitrogen enters into the soil, but the amount of nitrogen remains same in the atmosphere. What is the reason for this? Because from the soil, the equal amount of nitrogen gets released back in the atmosphere by a process called nitrogen cycle. Let us learn in detail the process of nitrogen cycle. 78% nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is one of the essential constituents of all living organisms as part of proteins, chlorophyll, nucleic acids and vitamins. Plants and animals cannot take nitrogen from the atmosphere directly because nitrogen is in the gaseous form in the atmosphere. But certain bacteria and blue-green algae fix the atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into compounds of nitrogen in the soil. These compounds of nitrogen present in the soil is utilized by the plants through their root system. This nitrogen is then used for the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Animals feeding on plants get these proteins and other nitrogen compounds. Excreta of these animals and dead bodies of animals and dead plants remain in the soil. Bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compounds. These compounds are used by plants again. Certain other bacteria convert some part of them into the nitrogen gas. This nitrogen gas goes back into the atmosphere. Thus, the nitrogen cycle gets completed. As a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. Now, do you understand how this nitrogen cycle works?
See the notes of nitrogen cycle. You can take the screenshot and then you can read it.